For the pits and that, yeah.
I'm coming in all in a minute.
Oh, Jesus!
Stay there, Leo. Might start crackling in a minute.
That's real good!